Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 28 of snowing through my minis in January. And I am so excited. We finished a bunch yesterday and I have my $7 for today. And I was also very sad because we did not get to 2 challenges because we kept rolling 3s, which is probably why we finished so many, because we got to put a bunch of money in there. So I'm just very glad we get to go to 7 and 8 today. And hopefully they get 3s because they deserve it. All right, so $7 going into my little minis bank. Pull out my prop coins. I have $7 of prop coins. That's the benefit of using the same amount every day. I can just cut it up, put it in the envelope, and I don't have to worry about counting it out before I start to save. It is all ready to go. So that is that. And then we are going to flip back to number 7. Get my little dice tower ready. This dice tower is from Dawn at Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. Her husband makes them. Different paint colors and different stains. I absolutely am obsessed with it. I love it so much. Okay, so we have our D3. We have our prop coins. Let's get 2 3s in a row. I'll take a 2. I'll take a 2. Oh my gosh, I thought that was 1. It's the challenge. All right, 8. Let's give it a 3. I'll take a 2. It's good. It's better than 1. All right, let's see what we've got going on. 1 for 9. 2 for 10. Going to 1. Oops. 1, 2, and 3. 1 for 2. 2 for 3. 1, 2, 3 for 4. 1, 2, and 3 for 5. I have 2 left. 1 and 2 for 6. We will leave the paper clip on number 7, and we will start there. All right. All right, we have 70. Nope, we have $1 for number 1. Got my pen over here. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I hope you're doing well. All right, so this one is from Nori at Norellis Budgets. It was a member exclusive. It says, reminder, you are doing really, really well. Keep going. Hang in there. You've got this. I love that. So 25, 50, 75, and $1. This will save us 5. All right, and number 2 got 50 cents. And that's what it needed. Yay, we finished one from Vicky Thanks. So 25 and 50. And let's get a new one. Just going somewhere in the middle. Oh no, I didn't write it on here. Oh yes, I did. This is from the Millennial Saver. I did her Valentine's box, her little gnome Valentine's box last year. It is so adorable, but I never got to this one. So this will be $4 if I make all of these 3 or 4 things $4 or 1. Oh my gosh. This will save us $4. Let's do that. But we don't have anything going in there. So I don't think you can get this individually, but if she still has her gnomes Valentine box challenge on her Etsy, totally worth it. It is adorable. Okay, so we have 50 cents going into number 3. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. We can cross out 2 of these. I don't even know what those are. Is it like a wand with Christmas garland? Maybe? Maybe. I tend not to guess what Lindsay does correctly. I was like, ice cream, and she's like, it's a marshmallow. And I'm like, oh. Oh, goodness. All right, so this one is from Financial Dreams with Christine. It is Teen Witch. Yes. And I have $1 going into this one. So 25, 50, 75, and $1. And this will save $6 when we're done. All right, so 5 got $1.25. Oh, we only needed 50 cents. All right, so 25 and 50. And this one is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets. So we only needed 50, so I'll take that away. So we have 75 cents going into the new challenge, which I'm just going to pick out of them. This is from Budgeting Introvert. Look at how cute the little monkey is with his watermelon. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So the Budgeting Introverts, we have 25, 50, and 75. So Babe and I yesterday looked at the cruise that we're going on in May, and we're kind of going around some of the islands in Tahiti. And I still can't believe I'm saying that out loud. It is like one of those trips I've dreamt about since I was a little girl, and it doesn't seem real. It does not seem real. But it is. And we booked a couple excursions, and I'm just like a little kid, just so giddy. All right, this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we are going to do 25 and 50. So we can do 2 little circles. So I'm trying to think what we did. We did like a boat ride around one of the islands. And then we did, it's called the Aqua Safari. So it's where you wear like one of those really big helmet things underwater and you walk around. I don't know if that makes sense. Like, I feel like I'll be Jacques Cousteau, but it's different. It's kind of cool. I've seen it around a couple times, but we've never done it. So this one is mine. You can get it free on my Ko-fi, the little Easter bow. And we can do 2 eggs. So we're going to do that one, I think, in Bora Bora. And then there's also what am I doing? Oh wait, we're doing the boat ride, and we're in Bora Bora overnight, so we have 2 days there. So I think we're doing the boat ride and then this scuba thing, or it's not scuba, what do they call it? The like safari one, underwater basically. And then another one we're doing is I can't remember which island, but it is going to be like a vanilla plantation tour and something else. I'm very excited. So this one is Dear Santa. It was the cat from Budget with Tiffany 26. So we can mark off 2 cats. And we have $1 more, and this will save us 4. Super glad 8 got some love. And then 9 got 75 cents. And this one we started yesterday from Becca Budget 777. So we have 75 cents. So let's do 25, 50, 75. I just love that blue and yellow. It's so pretty. And then number 10 got 50 cents. And this one is also Bookish Mama Budgets. So we have 25 and 50. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited we saved or finished 2 today. I didn't think we'd finish any after yesterday. All right, so we're going to flip this over and go back to the bank. We finished 2, so we have $3 and $2. So we get to save $5 today. I'm just going to keep taking the 5s. Why not? Put our prop coins away. And then we'll go back here to completed, and we'll just drop this 5 in anywhere. Doesn't matter. We'll add it up in a few days, and then 2 more challenges. Okay, super excited. Day 28, doing well. I'm not going to try. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and just cheering me on while I save. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys are having fun and saving along with me. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.